I just love the people down there. I mean, always smiling, laughing, having a good time, and you get out to the course and you meet even better people. There's a lot of people out there that love having you there. I got to go back since I won in '09, and I just absolutely love being down there playing the golf course and seeing some old familiar faces.
I remember just being so excited because I knew when I had won that tournament I had clinched my card for the PGA Tour, and that was one of the bigger events that we play purse-wise on the Web.com
really
tour.
Special, to have those kind of tournaments in Mexico, from the Web.com tour, and then grateful with the people who are trying to grow the game of golf in Mexico, like the Velasquez family. Having 10 years in a row that tournament in Mexico, it's huge, and they don't understand how much they can help out the growth of golf with those kind of tournaments. And I'm a past winner there, so that helped me a lot. That's probably one of my more special wins, and I'm just grateful with people that try and grow the game.
Winning the tournament in Mexico at El Bosque is definitely something that I'll remember forever. It was my first professional win, first Web.com win, and only Web.com win so far. So I've had a runner-up finish there as well, so it's a special place for me. It's somewhere that I look forward to going back to, and hopefully can get myself into contention again.
So I
this
really
year.
enjoyed my experiences in León, Mexico. Obviously, I won there, and that's what locked up my PGA Tour card. So it's got a dear place in my heart. And honestly, my favorite thing to do there was eating some street tacos right outside of the Crown Plaza.
I mean, obviously, that's going to be the most special memory that I have from León. Was getting my first win on the Web Tour there, and that's what propelled me to be out here and be a rookie out here on the PGA Tour. And so it's always going to, be a special spot for me, and I'm going to remember it and have nothing but good memories from there.